Welcome back to the channel, guys. T-Man behind the camera. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to build a carbidizer. Very simple project. No one likes a sticky lock, and this thing is really bad. Listen to this. Yeah, my thumb hurts. Shout out to my thumb. There it is. So, it's an easy fix. First item you'll need is a Dremel engraver. Here's a model number, 290-01. 2 alligator clips. I already unbent the ends. A pair of pliers. Screwdriver. A vise. And you're going to need a power supply. This one goes up to, I believe, like 31 or 32 volts. That's all you need. So this one I had on hand already. The other thing you're going to need is a carbide tip. So this tip here is a carbide tip. And I'm going to unscrew that screw with that. And reverse it and grind off the end of this into an angle. And then I'll put it back in here. And I won't be ruining the tip. Okay? So, shout out to that. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll show you how that looks. Alright, I'm back. So here's what I did. I just ground off the end. And I wanted to keep that tip original in case I need it for engraving in the future, right? And then I'll just put it back in here backwards, like so. Tighten it up and good to go. So what I'm going to do now is add these alligator clips to the end of these wires temporarily, because this section here is my car audio test equipment area. Hopefully I said that right. And I just want it temporarily, like I said. So I'm going to do that real quick and get everything set up, and then put this onto a tripod. And I'm going to take this thing apart, and we'll put it on the vise and get things going, right? So give me a second here. All right, so I've got my power supply at 31.7 volts, okay? All right, so I have the negative hooked up to the frame lock. There's a little section where I'm going to be carbidizing. And I got the positive onto the tip of the Dremel. So let's do this. This thing wants to just come out. Let me... Power supply is on. I actually have it to 25.6 volts. And it's going to get loud right now, so cover your ears. All right, so there we have it. A lot better. So I'm going to put it back together. We're going to see how she performs. Okay. Nice. I like that. All right, there you have it. Nice quick way to make your own carbidizer to get rid of your lock stick. And you can do this to any knife that has titanium, frame lock, liner lock, whatever it may be. I also did this one. Came out pretty good. You don't even hear this one. See that? So, shout out to that. So between the centering video I did for this thing and now getting rid of this lock stick, this thing is performing the way it should have came. Listen to this. You hear the before and after. Here's the before. And now. Yeah, beautiful, right? So shout out to that. So with that being said, if you don't feel comfortable making one of these, you don't have the power supply, etc., you can always send it to me. I'll gladly do that for you. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. So I guess I'll see you at the next project. Take care.